kuri riu tengera getha tukirore njamba cia mathako uria cirakigari kana tukiambiriria ciegi mathako ni ati timu ya bururi ya mubira wa maguru ya airĩtu Harambee Starlets no ithiete na mbere na kwinora icoka mbere ya Mbĩtĩka cia kiurata cia FIFA iria irambiriria muthiaini wa kiumia giki. Airĩtu aya aria mari kambeini ya mehaririria Mbĩtĩka ya mbere magathaka na bururi wa India, Australia macemanie na Malawi. Waine wa umuthi timu cia kuma nja ni citanyitwo kuingira guku bururi-ini itongorio ni timu ya bururi wa India. Akenya ni moritio gukeyumiria muthia wa kiumia gukungwira timu ya bururi.
The list that we are playing the FIFA series at home, we are playing with good teams, teams well placed. So far it has been good. It's a good journey. For the friendlies, one is to see the team, is to see how well the girls are gelling. Such friendlies are very important for us to ensure that the team is gelling and that we shall move forward as a unit, and everyone understands where we are at the moment. So we will see how the team is. It will help us see how ready we are also